darlings, and welcome back to my channel. I'm bimbim.the.model Jenna, and today I have a very special video for you guys. I have my first ever unboxing. So I am going to Greece very soon, and I wanted to get something a little bit Mediterranean, a little bit, you know, and sophisticated. And I'm not really into logo, but this really caught my eye and I really liked it. And if you guys can guess what it is, please leave it in the comment section down below. I'd love to see what you guys guessed it is. Without further ado, let's get into it. So here is the bag and we're gonna take it out. If you guys haven't guessed already by the shape, it is a shoe. And I love this green bow detail, so we're just gonna do that. We're gonna open her up, and it comes with a little book, which I just think is a care book or something of the such, and this lovely paper. And they come individually wrapped. It's very weird because these are not my first Gucci shoes, but this is the first time I've seen them coming individually wrapped and with the new like dust bag, I guess you could call it. So I'm just gonna put this down. And big reveal. It is the Gucci ESPADRILLES in like the new GG multicolor print, and I just think that these can go with a lot of things. They're super cute. Can go with dresses. I got mine in a size 39. This is 39 the right foot, and the other one is, oh, that's interesting. So for some reason they both have little R's here, which I don't know what that is kind of for, unless it's, I'm hoping you guys can see this, unless it's for yeah, I don't know what that's for, but interesting. But yeah, these are some lovely shoes. I feel like they can go with a lot, and hopefully you can see some mod shots later on. So, and if you can see that close up, they've got a bunch of different colors, and I think that they would just make a great shoe for like going out in the day, especially because they're rubber soles, so they won't wear down as quickly as like chalkboard or something. But I literally love them, and when I tried them on this shop, they were so cute. And I will show you some mod shots now.